Welcome to our tutorial on enhancing your Shopify store by adding product bundles using Shopify's free bundles app. Bundling products is a proven strategy to increase sales and offer more value to your customers. To get started, we'll install the Shopify Bundles app, a free application that simplifies the bundling process. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left sidebar, click on Apps. Then you have to select from here Shopify Bundles. So this is the Shopify's bundling app, which is a free app and it is directly from Shopify. So you don't have to pay any additional payment for this app. Now you have to click on this install button to add the app to your store. Now they are asking some permissions for the store data and all. Now you can click on install. So after installation, the bundles app will open like this. If it's not opened, what you can do is you can click on this apps and then choose the app from here. Next, we have to click on this create bundle button. Now give a description for your bundle. Now you need to choose what are the products that you have to add to this bundle. Click on select products and choose the products that you need to add to the bundle. You can adjust the quantity of each product as needed from here. Also, if your bundle includes multiple variants of a product, you can select or deselect the specific variants as well. Next, you have to click on save and continue. Here you can give the description of the product, maybe what all are included in this particular bundle. You can give all those details. You can upload an image if you have one. Now here you can see what all are the products that we have added in the particular bundle. Give the price. If you have like a sale price also you can add over here. Cost of the item if you have, you can add here. SKUs, barcode, etc. you can add. Now the available products will be the quantity is set based on the lowest inventory that is set up for a particular product that is available in the bundle. Now you can add the weight of the product here. Next, we have to click on save to save the product. Next, from here you can choose active so that the product is active. Now from here you can choose what are the sales channels we will be making this product available. Now I'm choosing online store. If it is available to your POS or your social medias, then you can choose from here as well. Here you can add the type of the product, the vendor name if you have, you can add one. The collections that you want to add the product bundling to, you can add that as well. Then if you have any particular tags, you can add that also from here. Now click on save. Now let us view the bundle on your storefront to see how it appears to the customers. Navigate your online store. Now we'll be able to find the product bundle over here, which is the face care kit that we have added. Now let us add it to the cart. Now let us go to checkout to see how this product is shown at the checkout. Now you see here we can see that all the products that we have added in the bundle are seen in the checkout as 1 into eye stick, face moisturizer and face wash. So this is how the customers will see it at the checkout, and automatically it will be updated from these particular SKUs inventory. By following the steps, you have successfully created a product bundle now using the Shopify's free bundles app. Bundles can boost your average order value and provide more options for the customers. So explore the different bundling strategies to see what works best for your store. For more tutorials and tips on optimizing your Shopify store, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.